How to withdraw money from Freecash. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw the current balance that you have on Freecash platform. Now take note that you could actually do this via your desktop version, Android, and iOS version. So all of those options are actually the same. So in case you go ahead into freecash.com's official site and make sure that you're logged in into your account. You can head straight into your account profile at the upper right. And then under withdrawals and earnings, this is where you can actually check out the current balance that you have, especially under withdrawals. To withdraw the current fund you have, you can click this cash out option, and then you will be provided with these given payment methods. So you can try to use Stake, PayPal, and Visa prepaid. Now, what people usually do is to use PayPal. Just simply click on PayPal, and this is where you can actually withdraw the fund that you have. But unfortunately, you cannot manually type in on how much you will be or you would like to withdraw on the balance that you have. You're just gonna have to choose either for a 5 or 200 max. Now click on the specific amount you want to withdraw and then input your PayPal credentials like your email, and then withdrawal fee is actually visible in here. Tick this box that you understand that the order is non-refundable and then hit on withdraw, and it will automatically be sent into your PayPal account. And that is how you withdraw on Freecash.